everyone, welcome to Challenge 4, which is Girls in Space. It's based on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals the SDGs number 9, which is industry, innovation and infrastructure. So, so first we have to learn about what is a satellite. We hear the satellite a lot, but what is it? It's a small object that moves around or orbits a larger object. So the moon is a natural satellite because it orbits around the Earth. So, and why are the satellites important? There are thousands of human-made satellites in space. Some take pictures of our planet, some revolve around the different planets, some just move around like the Hubble Space Telescope just moves around in space, and International Space Station revolves around the Earth. So now first we have to track a satellite, then we have to build our own satellite. So I've tracked some satellites and saw some constellations. So there are some constellation. I've seen constellation, minor planets. Some like we've seen how the Earth revolves around sun. We've seen space station, the International Space Station. Like there's some interesting constellations. Like there's constellation like Sagittarius, Orion. So let's track the International Space Station. So it will show you the way to how to find the International Space Station. See, we're so close. Yeah, here is the International Space Station. So also you can build your very own satellite also. I made my own satellite with simple paper. You can make it with anything like shoebox, paper cups, craft paper, cardboard. This one is made of like paper cardboard. In case you also want to track satellites like this, so download at any time, night, day, afternoon, evening. So download Stellarium. So you can observe anything like minor planets, many things. You can try for yourself. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more interesting videos. Bye. Say your bye in the space file. Bye.